I think one of the things that's incredibly important for students who are interested in an area of intellectual property, whether STEM background or not, is that Arizona is becoming the world's center for chip manufacturing. As people may know, you can look it up, but the Taiwan Semiconductor factory out here in Phoenix is going to be the largest in the United States. We already have Intel, we've had Motorola. This is an area that is just exploding in innovation around intellectual property, particularly in chip manufacturing and analysis. And so it shouldn't be surprising that the person who is responsible for the Wolin Family Center, Harry Wolin, one of our great alums, was the general counsel of one of the largest semiconductor companies in the United States. And because of his connections and because of the kinds of things that are happening in Arizona, we really think the ceiling is incredibly high for students who want to be in intellectual property. Our ability to get industry connections and networks and opportunities for internships is just about unlimited. That intellectual property is just a big tent. It really is an area where you can do lots of different things, and all sorts of backgrounds can engage in an area of law that we think is constantly changing and dealing with things that are changing the world around us. Going forward, our economy is going to be three things, and it is getting bigger and bigger every single day. Number one, it's semiconductors, right? So semiconductors is going to be huge. It's driving our economy. It's intellectual property driven. Secondly, life sciences. Arizona is the fastest growing life sciences economy in the country. It's just going to get bigger and bigger. Guess what? That is all IP at every single step. Whether you protect it, license it, transfer it, all of that is an intellectual property exercise that students and lawyers and non-lawyers need to understand. The third one is going to be defense all over again. You may have heard Honeywell is spinning off its aerospace division and is locating it here in Arizona. Honeywell Aerospace is immediately, I think, going to be the largest company in the state of Arizona. Within a few months is going to be the largest employer in the state of Arizona. These are all businesses that are starting now, so it's like ground floor. It's what's going to be the future for the next 30, 40 years. And so, yeah, you're future-proofing in a way that's incredibly important.